What's up, Ash fam? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ashley, and by the end of this video, I'd hope that you want to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so every time I post, you get a notification. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I just said subscribe. And if you're not, what's up, Ash fam? You guys should already know what to do. And today, I'm back with another unboxing video. By the title, you should know what I'm about to unbox. So, I'm gonna just get right into it. Look at my package. It's so huge. All right, so let's see. Where do we cut this thing from? You guys, I have been waiting for like mad long for this package, and I got Amazon Prime, but since I ordered from outside of it being Prime, it took about a week and a half to get here, maybe 2 weeks. But all the rest of my packages was coming on time. So yeah, and I'm pretty excited about this package because I've been wanting this for so long. Y'all have no idea. I be sewing like my clothes and stuff, and sometimes it'd be a lot of work with the needle and the thread, so why not get a sewing machine? You feel me? Make it 10 times easier, go much faster. Let me back this up a little bit. This is what it looks like. And I got this one because this one comes with all the different stitching models. Like, they had different types. And I'm gonna put the link in the description down below in case anyone wants to get one or is looking for one. How much did I pay for this? It was $100, I believe. Between $100 and $110, but I know the exact price with tax and everything came up to $113.12. So yeah, it's not that bad because they had other sewing machines and it was way more expensive, and it didn't even have all of this different stitching styles that I was looking for. So yeah, I'm so happy, you guys. Like, y'all have no idea. Now I could finally go home when I get home and stitch my blanket. Yes, I said stitch my blanket. It says lock stitch, top and bottom threading mechanism, speed adjustable, featuring 12 built-in stitch patterns, forward and reverse sewing, automatic thread rewind, easy to sew sleeves sequentially, drawer included, use hand switch or foot pedal to start, built-in sewing light, ooh, a unique thread cutter included, uses 6V blah 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 adapter or 4 AA batteries, foot pedal adapter, and thread bag included. And then at the side it shows you these stuff right here that it comes with. This is so cool. Like, I cannot wait to go home and open it up and actually use it. So I'm gonna do another video on this, and it's gonna be a review video. but this is just the unboxing video. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. You didn't have to. So yeah, I appreciate it, and I will see you on my next one.